Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. This is a video for the invisible stitch that you use at the end of a round or square or anything like that. That way you don't see your join. The invisible join stitch starting now.
Hi everyone, welcome to Magic Spark Crafts. Today we're going to do a how-to join at the end of a circle so that it is invisible. How to invisible join. This is actually a pretty simple and very easy trick and is one of those things that once you see it, you don't forget it. So we're going to go ahead here. I just did a simple circle. You can do this for circles or tubes or any sort of roundish shape. Even with squares you can do this, as long as at some point you're at the end of a round. This doesn't work for straight back and across. What you're going to do is take your tail, very easy, put it into your needle. This is my chain stitch. I'm actually going to ignore that because in this I ignored it all the way through. That's my chain stitch, my first double crochet, my second double crochet. I'm going to stick the needle into the stitch of the second stitch, pull my tail through. Now you're going to kind of start seeing this pretty quickly. Once you pull that through, wrap it like it's the top of your first double crochet, and you're going to go right through the center where it came from. You're also going to go down through the stitch itself so that it really grabs that yarn. There we go. Really easy little trick. And there you have it, your invisible join. From there, all you have to do is just kind of mess around with a little bit. It comes out really nicely once you make it even with the rest of the stitches. And then you're going to tuck your end in here. I like to tuck it in going about the same direction as I was when I pulled it through the center of the stitch. There we go. And then I'll usually go back down, up, around, through, and cut. Okay, there we go. Your invisible join is so simple.
If you really like the channel, consider going to patreon.com/hookyarnandneedle. All links will be in the bottom. There's also going to be a couple of links as well that are affiliate links for you to be able to purchase items such as a particular yarn I used in the video, or needles, or hooks, or anything like that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember, hit subscribe and ring the bell so that you get notified when we post a new one. See you next time. Bye! Caitlin Jessup here from Hookline.